In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Xray for crafting and building. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. If you're on an Android device, please open up the Google Chrome. If you're on an iOS device, open up Safari. Then look for the website mcpecentral.com. This is a free Minecraft website where you're able to find a bunch of texture packs and stuff like that. Now, even though this is primarily a Minecraft website, these texture packs are still going to work on crafting and building. So that's why we're using this website. So don't get confused about that. Anyways, go to the top left. And then you want to scroll down until you see texture packs. Then you might get some advertisements, so go ahead and just press on close. Then you want to scroll down until you find an Xray texture pack. And thankfully, it should not be too hard to find. Yep, here it is, how to get Xray. And you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see this link over here that says mcpedl.com. You want to press on it just like so. Then once again, you're able to go ahead and scroll down, and there's like a bunch of images as well. So scroll down. Then you want to press on I'm not a robot. Then you want to wait for this progress bar right here. All right, then go ahead and press on get downloads. Then go ahead and install it just like so. And I already downloaded it again, so that's why it's giving me this issue. So just press on download just like so. And then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store. And that is because we're going to be installing another app that will easily allow us to import it